Hi, this is Dirk from V&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 71 GMC. Sounds good. Nice exhaust. Here's your oil pressure, quarter tank fuel. 362 actually, not axle, tilt wheel. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. Horn works. You can see the aftermarket radio, which works. There's some heat coming up there. And the dome light. So as you can see, everything works. Runs like a watch. You can see it's been rebuilt. Power steering, power brakes. Got a Edelbrock, I believe, on it. Otherwise stock underneath, besides the chrome air cleaner and valve covers. Aftermarket LED headlights. Good solid dual exhaust. There's your tail lights. So if you want a cool truck that you can be proud of anywhere, give us a call, 605-695-7391.